I download a lot of datasets from Kaggle. Therefore, every single time I have to follow the same boring routine. Load the data, check for missing values, plot distributions, and look for correlation. It takes at least 30 minutes and honestly, it's mind-numbing. But I thought, what if I could automate this entire process? Simply drop in any Kaggle dataset and instantly receive a comprehensive analysis report with visualizations, insights, and recommendations. And that's exactly what I've built. So, what this tool needs to do? First, it needs to download data from the Kaggle link, analyze the dataset, and create relatively good-looking charts. And given the requirements, I had two options. Do it all myself and spend a lot of time and energy, or vibe code my way to the junky prototype. But I found a better solution. Wide data profile. Its primary goal is to provide one-line EDA experience in a consistent and fast solution. Wide data profiling can do all these things, but most importantly, it takes your dataset and generates HTML file with the most necessary info and charts that every EDA analysis needs. It gives info about variables, statistics, NAs, interactions, and correlations. Visuals look good for what it is, but it can be better. But at least we don't have to do it from scratch. Now, the main part is done and we need to get the data somehow. And this part is easy. We get the link and scrape the web page, right? But not that convenient, and if something changes in front end, it may break our program. Therefore, we need to look for another way. The Kaggle Python API. Many people make mistake like me and start directly with web scraping, but you should first check if the official API is available or see if you can find it on browser when page loads. Back to the Python API. It takes the Kaggle username and the name of the dataset. It downloads the available data files as a zip or it can extract it. So at this stage, we can download the dataset and are able to generate the report. Next, we need some sort of UI to interact with. I think based on the project complexity, simple web interface would be enough. Also, CLI could work, but since the actual report is HTML file, we should match it with the web UI. And I chose Streamlit. It's simple enough to create an interface for our project and has many widgets like inputs and selects, so we can put the link in and select the file we want to analyze. Here is what we've got. Here is a small title and input field where we put our dataset link and click on download. We see that it's downloaded successfully and gives us options to select which file we want to analyze. In this case, we choose first one and we generate the report. Here it is. We click on it and it opens in a new window. Well, it did not really work. Turns out browsers don't open local HTML files from the URL. At least I couldn't manage to do it. So I decided to have a two-page app. First page is one that downloads the data and generates a report. And then we click on the URL. It opens the second page of the Streamlit tab. And its only job is to load the local HTML file inside it. And let's try it again. Paste the link and download. Click generate and open the report. And here we can see the page. We get general overview of the data with missing values and other information. Here is more detailed descriptions of visuals of each variable. Also we see interactions between variables and also the correlation here. And lastly, we can see the data sample, top 10 and bottom 10 rows. This was the Kaggle EDA automation project, and I hope you liked it. You can check out the code on GitHub if you are interested, and see you in the next one.